Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on calculating standard deviation and standard error of the mean in Microsoft Excel. Standard deviation is an important term used in statistics. Those who deal with statistics would understand very well what standard deviation is. While the formula for standard deviation is very complex, Excel makes it easier by using the stdev function specifically made to calculate standard deviation. Standard error of the mean is an even more accurate quantity. However, it does not have a direct formula. The formula for standard error of the mean is standard deviation divided by square root of number of samples. So, the formula in Microsoft Excel for standard error of the mean becomes equal to stdev sampling range divided by sqrt and then count sampling range. Sqrt is the function for square root. Let us check how it is done. Both these formulae have been mentioned on this post in the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link in the description section. All you need to do to find the standard deviation in Microsoft Excel is to copy the formula and paste it where you need the results. And then replace sampling range with the range. Let us check for the range in this example. The range is from B3 to F6. So we would mention the range as B3 colon F6. This is how we write the range in Excel. Hit enter and the deviation is here. Let us check the formula for standard error of the mean. All you need to do is simply copy it and paste it to the cell where you need the results. The sampling range is again B3 colon F6 and again it is B3 colon F6. Hit enter and you get standard error of the mean. If you have any doubts with this, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.